Basic facts: Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is slightly larger than Earth's moon. It is a rocky terrestrial planet. Mercury has a diameter of about 4,880 kilometers. It is the fastest orbiting planet. Mercury completes one orbit in 88 Earth days. A day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Mercury has almost no atmosphere. It experiences extreme temperatures. Temperature facts: daytime temperatures can reach 430 degrees Celsius. Night temperatures can drop to negative 180 degrees Celsius. Mercury has the largest temperature variation of any planet. The lack of atmosphere causes rapid heat loss. Some craters near the poles contain water ice. Orbit and rotation: Mercury travels around the Sun at about 47 kilometers per second. It has the shortest year of all planets. Mercury rotates very slowly. The planet spins 3 times for every 2 orbits around the Sun. This is called a 3.2 spin-orbit resonance. Surface facts: Mercury's surface is heavily covered with craters. It looks similar to Earth's moon. Many craters form from asteroid impacts. Mercury has giant cliffs called scarps. These scarps formed as the planet cooled and shrank. One huge impact basin is called Caloris Basin. Caloris Basin is about 1,550 kilometers wide. Mercury has ancient volcanic plains. Some regions were shaped by lava flows. The planet's surface is billions of years old. Atmosphere and sky: Mercury has a very thin atmosphere called an exosphere. The exosphere contains oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, and helium. Mercury's sky would appear black even during daytime. The Sun appears much larger from Mercury. Sunrises on Mercury are strange because of its orbit and rotation. Gravity and interior: Mercury has weaker gravity than Earth. A person would weigh much less on Mercury. Mercury has a very large iron core. The core makes up about 85% of the planet's radius. Mercury has a magnetic field. It is the only rocky planet besides Earth with a strong magnetic field. Mercury's magnetic field is weaker than Earth's. Scientists think its core is partly molten. Mercury may still be geologically active. The planet slowly shrinks over time. Discovery and naming: Mercury has been known since ancient times. It is visible without a telescope. The Romans named it after the messenger god Mercury. The Greek equivalent is Hermes. Ancient astronomers thought Mercury was 2 separate stars. Space missions: the first spacecraft to visit Mercury was Mariner 10. Mariner 10 flew by Mercury in the 1970s. It captured the first close-up images. Mariner 10 discovered Mercury's magnetic field. Another mission was Messenger. Messenger orbited Mercury in 2011. It mapped almost the entire planet. Messenger confirmed water ice at the poles. The mission ended in 2015. Europe and Japan launched BepiColombo to Mercury. Interesting sky facts from Mercury: the Sun looks more than twice as large as from Earth. Mercury has no moons. It also has no rings. Mercury is difficult to observe from Earth. It is usually seen near sunrise or sunset and set. Geological features: Mercury has smooth plains formed by lava. Some craters have bright rays around them. The planet has mysterious hollows on its surface. These hollows may form from evaporating minerals. Mercury's crust is thinner than Earth's. Fun comparisons: Mercury is smaller than Ganymede. It is also smaller than Titan. Despite being small, Mercury is very dense. Only Earth is denser among the planets. Mercury's iron-rich core gives it high density. Scientific discoveries: Mercury helped confirm theory of relativity. Its unusual orbit matched Einstein's predictions. Mercury's orbit changes slightly over time. Scientists study Mercury to understand planet formation. The planet may have lost much of its outer crust long ago. Viewing Mercury: Mercury can sometimes be seen with the naked eye. It appears as a small bright object near the horizon. Telescopes reveal phases like the Moon. Mercury goes through crescent and full phases. These phases were first observed by Galileo Galilei. More cool facts: Mercury receives intense solar radiation. Solar winds strongly affect the planet. Mercury's surface is filled with dust and rocks. Some craters are permanently shadowed. These shadowed craters stay extremely cold. Final facts: Mercury is one of the least explored planets. It is the nearest planet to the Sun but not the hottest. Venus is hotter because of its thick atmosphere. Mercury has inspired myths in many cultures. The planet moves quickly across Earth's sky. Mercury occasionally passes in front of the Sun. This event is called a transit of Mercury. Mercury's sunsets would look unusual because of the giant Sun. The planet is both scorching hot and freezing cold. Mercury remains one of the solar system's most fascinating worlds. Rocket Sun.